taking, just be. Don't take it. Taking, just don't be. And live my life.
Hey guys, welcome back to another weekend vlog, and this is actually going to be the start of this weekend's vlog. Today is, what is today? Phone. I think today is the 18th. No, I'm trying to find my, oh, they got my phone. I was like, where's my phone? But anyway, today is the 18th, I think. Alexa, what's today? I was correct.
By the way, I can now notify you of breaking news updates. Would you like that?
No. I want one of these. I think these are my can't read glasses, but my distance glasses. So we'll go ahead and wear these distance glasses. Or do I want to wear? I probably don't need to wear these. I probably need to go ahead and wear ones that I can actually see in. So let's probably, because I have a bunch of distant glasses. Let me go ahead and wipe these off. So today is the beginning of the week. We are actually on our way. We're going to my granddaughter's birthday party. She will be 4, I think, 5. Walter! Hey guys, so we finally made it to Memphis and we're at the IKEA. We're about to go in and see if we can get the shoe liners for my pack system and see if we can exchange the jewelry organizers, because I definitely got the wrong thing. I need the actual set. So let's see if they have what I need. I pray they have what I need, y'all. I've had these organizers for well over, it will be a year on the 28th, I think. But anyway, I'll see y'all in a little bit. See you inside. Okay, y'all, we are where we want to be in here. We are now in the pack system area. This is what I'm looking at. This is what I need. I can just look it right here. I need this. So basically, I need this one, this one. Are you looking? I need this one, and this one. I'm here. Okay, you guys. I'm gonna have to slide it out. I need this one. I don't even have that one, do I? I don't have any of them. All those need to go back, don't they? This one and this one. Oh, I just need to take 3 back. I need to just take 3 back.
Yeah, I can draw it out on you.
I need to take 3 back. You see it? They put a felt liner on the bottom of there too. You see it?
Probably fill out it first, and then if somebody put that in there.
Okay, that's what I need. Do you want to take a picture of the? Here, you can order it. We can order it right there, and they can give it to us in the when we get out. Okay. But we are in the section, but we need to get white. What do I? We need to get the white, not the gray. You hear me? And I need to get my felts while I'm trying to act like I'm all in a hurry. Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yeah. Picture frames are expensive. Look at these.
Regular 18? Or regular 25?
Regular 24 or $25.
You need about 2 or 3?
I need 6
You need 6 frames?
to do the art wall.
No. Aim at the thing. You gotta aim it.
Your cards only
Hey,
stretch.
how much I want to pay?
Yes, my wife stayed in her budget. That's a funny. And that's the restaurant we ate at over there. Just the way out. We came in, it was light. Leave it out, it's dark.
It's hot out here. It's colder. It's cooler than it is out here.
Yeah.
Am I going to take this card out?
Yeah, you can't.
I'm saying, was I supposed to take this card out?
Yeah. We bring it back. They got baskets. We bring it back.
Child, was I supposed to take this card out?
Yeah.
I should have bought me some of them little tables for the outside. I bought these picture frames, child. We won't use them picture frames. Them picture frames was $12. I think that was a good deal for the picture frames. I think so. Let me know in the comment area if you think those picture frames was worth $12.99. Originally they were $24.99. So basically I got them half off. And they are the color of my decor in my house. I do like gray or silver, not gray. I do like silver frames. So I bought the silver frames. We left one behind. I should have left 2 behind so somebody could have a set. You think I should have left 2 behind? But I wanted 6. You think those are too big to do an art wall?
See, that's all right.
Huh?
On the face.
Who?
On the sacred.
Oh. Child, I don't know what you're telling me about no charger station for. I'm not impressed. Not impressed. Not impressed. We had fun. So now I guess we're off to the races. Guess we're finna go to the Cheesecake Factory now. We might hang out tonight and go bowling. Huh?
You take one back?
Take one back?
You think you want to take one?
No. I mean, I was just thinking, you told me to leave one. I left one.
I always need one.
I didn't need 7. I did need 6. 6 is for a nice art wall.
You got rid of 4 big these things is.
I could, but I could put 4 on another wall. I mean, 2. I can put 2 on another wall.
I say you could do 4.
They big enough. I could do 4, but I could do 2 on another wall.
But technically, you can put 6 pictures in this one frame.
That's good.
8 pictures.
That's good. How big you think the if I got the? How big is these frames?
19.5 by 19 3/4 by 27.5. Basically 19 by 27.
So what can fit in there?
Anything. 1-inch pictures. You want to do a collage? I do one big picture, big as that.
I got a little bitty, just a little hoobie-doobie shelf to put our shoes on when we be going outside, instead of them sitting on the floor, instead of us stacking them on top of each other. I think
the shit need dope. Feel like.
I don't even know who them shoes are, but I put my shoes up there. I put my flip-flops on there, and I put my Crocs on there. Instead of me throwing my Crocs and stuff under the chairs in the kitchen. But anyway,
Be right back.
I'm finna get in the car.
I don't think it's that. You know the car's out here.
So I ended up buying. I had to.
Get a few steps in.
Okay. I ended up having to order the jewelry liners. I ended up having to reorder them, and they're gonna ship them to Walgreens up the street from my house, and then I have to pick them up at Walgreens, which is okay, I guess. Walter said that's probably the safest thing, so at least the packages won't get taken. So I guess they'll alert me and let me know that, you know what, hold on for a minute, yo. I gotta just see something, because I did order it. I did order them, and the girl said that, let me see, because I'm so glad I had that credit card. I did not know I had spent $80 on those. I think $80-something. I don't know why. I think, now we
Turn
bet.
right.
I guess the red light has got, I don't know.
Okay.
You said turn right here?
Said turn right.
You've entered the parking lot for your destination.
That's not good food. Is it them or... Oh, you know what? There's a bunch of stuff over here. You got Wayback Burger. You got Rafferty's behind me. You got this green card that's just looking.
Way back, is they open? I guess way back is open. Is way back, is you back big backing?
Nobody ain't way back though.
Don't nobody look like they in there, sir.
Men's Grill and Sub. Organic Nail Spa. Here go the, you know what? It's like a, here go the cheese cake ball. You want to eat there or you want to go to the other one? What's the eat and drink? It's it right there. You want to go to the other one with bigger crowd.
What the heck? What is this? Moe's. Let's go back to the other place. Sure. You want to go here? That's just. I don't even know, child. I don't even want to get my camera out. Y'all not finna come in here with me.
Why?
Okay, y'all finna come. Walter said, well, y'all finna come in with me. We'll figure that out.
I mean, wait. I mean, you go to the other one. You want to go to the other one that's crowded.
No, I'll
Hold
stay
on.
here.
Let's see what Rafferty's got.
I'll stay here. Because I probably could get me a good piece of cheesecake up out of here.
It's a laid back for steak, burger and steaks, comfort food, plus a kids menu.
What they got?
Rafferty's. It was Rafferty's. graphics guy.
I still gotta go home and put my bread,
Look kind of like a steak, Texas steakhouse.
in a loaf.
Kind of like a,
Texas Roadhouse type of food.
I can't say.
What is it? What's that?
China croissants, baked potato, buffalo chicken, Caesar salad, French fries, veggies or something.
I guess we just go in this place.
So you never see the Cheesecake Factory sign?
Let me let Walter here. Child, here.
What?
Child.
I can't see now. You got the camera flipped up.
Just flip it up.
Okay. Who that? Eggplant, rotan, cheese, lasagna, lobster ravioli. Yeah. Yeah. That's it. Hello. Doing fine. How you doing? Yes, we are. This is our first time here. We just